When two people perform a task, they elicit various emotions to each other. But which emotions matter most for their joint performance? And does performance itself affect which emotions arise? By studying hundreds of surgeries and their outcomes, researchers discovered that while one particular emotion affected surgery performance levels, most emotions did not. Surgeons who work together must perform in tandem, sometimes over many hours, to complete surgical tasks. But researchers found that feeling relaxed, excited, alert, or nervous when working together had no discernible effect on how two surgeons performed. Nor were these emotions affected significantly by how two surgeons performed together in the past. Only one emotion, relational tension, seemed to affect outcomes across the board. When analyzing how surgeons felt when working closely with each other, researchers found that as surgeons experienced tension in their interaction, their performance worsened. Thankfully, when two surgeons experienced performance peaks, the relational tension between them decreased in subsequent surgeries, leading to better medical outcomes. As so much of work in organizations is carried out by dyads, understanding the effect of emotions between two coworkers can potentially help organizations achieve excellence in executing important tasks. Wonder what relational effects develop when colleagues collaborate and how they go hand in hand with their work performance? If so, you may want to read this paper.